Hey guys, it's me, Foxy. I just want to say here real quick, this video is not meant to make fun of anybody who actually has, tics, anxiety, or depression. It's not to make fun of them. It's just, we're just kind of complaining about the people who, not for the full video, but like we're complaining about the people who, fake having those stuff. But, yeah, anyways, continue watching the video.
Hey guys, so, I'm going to be going to a field trip today, so I won't be able to be, making videos for a couple days. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Hey, Big Foxy! And then Big Foxy, want to see my dice that says organ on it? Wait, what does it say organ? I don't really care. Anyways, Big Foxy. Oh, what's all these? Hey, Big Foxy, what are these? Wait, aren't these themes I've been seeing on TikTok? They're called Fidgets. Oh! Big Foxy left his phone. Or her, I don't even know at this point.
Okay, let's just change the profile and delete all the videos. And there, now we can start recording.
Guys, welcome to my Fidget account. I just want to say that I am depressed. I have anxiety. What else? I have anxiety, and I already mentioned that. I have tics. I have tics. Alrighty, done. So, let's start playing with some of the Fidgets. Ooh. Squish, squish. Squish, squish.
Hey, Daughter Foxy, I think I left my foot.
Ew, what's this? Oh.
Daughter Foxy!
Wait.
Daughter Foxy! Give me my phone. Where is it?
It's over there on the couch. Ow. Little does she know I know her password in email. Alright, now it's my phone. Alrighty, time to record. Oh, this one looks good.
Foxy, what are you doing?
I'm depressed and I have anxiety and stuff.
Wait a second.
And I also have
Daughter Foxy, why would you fake that?
I didn't fake it. I have tics.
No, you don't.
Yeah, and I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
You know what? Get out of here!
Wait.
You're being kicked out of the house.
What? I do have tics. See, I have tics.
That's not tics. Now get away from my Fidget.
Daughter Foxy,
you know what? I'm not gonna have my trip today.
No, baby.
Because you ruined it. Get out of here.
Big Foxy, I have tics. Look, let me prove it to you. I have tics. See? I'm eating a chop.
Daughter Foxy, why would you do that to your phone?
Because I have tics. Tics.
Daughter Fox, you know what?
What?
Daughter Foxy, this is for you. I'll pick that up later. Foxy.
I gotta run from Big Phone. My phone!
That's what you get! Look at your phone, it's all broken.
No! How could you have done this? No, not my Galaxy S7!
It's broken, Daughter Foxy. There's no...
That made it worse, didn't it?
Yeah.
I gotta go home.
Daughter Foxy, now you don't have a phone.
Shut up, I'll ask my mom for a new one. Yes, I will.
No, you won't before I do.
Hey, Mom!
Can I have a new phone? Daughter Foxy broke mine.
No, he didn't! Wait, what happened?
Did?
Well, okay, what happened? Stop.
Shut up, Daughter Foxy!
Let Daughter Foxy explain first, since she's my daughter, and I don't know who your parents are. I don't think anyone does. Okay, so she went on a trip, or was going on a trip, but she forgot her phone, so I was gonna make a TikTok account with her fidgets and pretend. I had anxiety, depression, and tics. Star Foxy don't have those. We went to the doctor multiple times. We're talking too fast, yeah. Anyways, you don't have those. Yeah, I do. See, that was tics. And there's a black sock.
Hi, guys.
Anyway, so you know I have tics. No, you don't. I have tics. Oh, that was gross. Well, I do have all those, and she broke my phone.
It's my turn to speak. So he was messing with my fidgets, pretending he had anxiety, tics, and depression. So I decided to get him back because he threw something at me when I realized he was messing with my fidgets. So I decided to break his phone. But that's because I wanted to give revenge for making a new TikTok account, deleting or changing my profile, and deleting all my old videos. So I have to redo it and delete the videos that daughter Foxy faked depression, tics, and anxiety.
First of all, I believe you more. And second of all, that was semi-responsible. And third of all, Daughter Foxy, you're in big trouble.
Daughter Foxy!
Help me.
Get over here, Daughter Foxy!
Help me, pig! What? Did you just call me pig? Yeah, because you love them!
That's rude. Quit, Daughter Foxy!
Let me go.
No! I have an idea.
Wait. I have an idea. If we agree that we can both use the fidgets and I will not fake any of those stuff, then
No, just no. Let me lock the door. Have fun in there!
No! Big Foxy? Seriously? We can both use the fidgets though. It's no use. Got some board games in here, but none of them I can play with because I don't have any friends. What's over here? Drill. What the heck this thing is? Dice. We also got another drill. Why is there so many drills in here? What? What's that? Oh, the scented wax. And was that a fly? Oh man. So I guess I'll just go over here. Ooh, I wonder what's in here. Ooh, let's see. That's so nice in here. Wow. It'd be a shame if somebody... What was that? Well, anyways, it'd be a shame if somebody closed it. What the heck is that noise? It's Foxy!
Have fun in there! Let me just turn the thing on.
Wait, what? See me!
Bye, Daughter Foxy!
You monster! Why'd you put me in the washing machine?
Because you deserve it.
Oh, come on.
You can't do anything to me. You are hurt.
Oh, yeah? See about that. Oh, did I break it? Anyways, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna bring her to our garage, and I'm gonna nuke our garage. Alrighty.
Daughter Foxy, what are you doing?
There's a snake in the bathroom, and the only way you can kill it is by killing it.
Oh, okay, I'll go kill it.
Anyways, time to move all these fidgets away from the couch.
What the? Daughter Foxy, there's no snake in here.
Yeah, I forgot. It was actually in the garage's bathroom.
Oh.
Go get it!
Okay.
No, I said the garage bathroom.
There is no garage bathroom.
Yes, there is. Remember?
There isn't.
The garage. It's
Daughter
in.
Foxy, I'm just gonna go look in the other bathroom.
No, it's in the garage. I'm telling you.
Daughter Foxy, what's going on with you? I can't find it.
Yeah, so I'm telling you, it's in the garage.
Okay, fine, I'll go look in there.
Yep. And yeah, I'm too afraid to go in there. So you find the snake yourself.
Oh, that's just. Wait, this is just a.
There's no snake in Alright, now where's the button? Alright, nuke button! Woo! Huh, when's the nuke gonna happen? Wait, why is it saying 3, 2, 1? Oh, it kill you?
Oh, okay. What are you trying to do? Hey, get over here. Foxy, get over here.
No. I just tried to do that because I wanted your fidgets. I'm so jealous.
Fine, you can play with some of our fidgets.
Yes. Huh, I guess guilt tripping does really work. Anyways.
Wait, what?
Nothing.
Okay.
Oh, this is cool. What is it?
It's a needle.
A needle? It doesn't seem so sharp to me.
Oh, it's not a needle, a needle.
Oh, okay. Well, what's this? But why is this tomato so squishy? I think it's gone rotten.
No, it's a splat ball.
Splat.
It's a splat ball, see?
Okay, then splat it.
See, it splats.
Okay, that sucks. Oh, is this a manga character?
Yeah.
What do you do with it?
You just grab it, okay, and then you just...
You just pop it?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Let's see what else is in here. Why is there a lid in here?
Oh, it's actually, this is like my only fidget I had when I first started, but you just...
Why do you have a bunch of paper clips or whatever in here?
Oh, they're just just like a tangle. Since I didn't have any back then.
Why do you have a Rubik's Cube?
Because it could be counted as a fidget. Like,
I think that causes more stress.
yeah, you're right.
A slinky. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. What is this? A cube?
An infinity cube. You just do this. Watch.
What do you mean infinity? It's not. There's nothing infinity about it. What?
Wait a second.
What? Did you break it?
No.
Oh, what is this actually?
It's a mochi. You just squish it. Helps with anxiety and stress.
Die! Ticks? Oh yeah, I had that.
No, you don't.
Yeah,
you
you're
haven't
right.
even been doing it the whole time.
What the heck is that? Oh, an egg? Splat?
No, stop, Daughter Foxy. It's a splat ball. You just go. See?
So it's big.
Daughter Foxy, stop it.
Okay, I'm interested in these fidgets.
Oh, here. This will annoy you for the rest of your life.
What? Wait, no, it's not gonna annoy me. Help me with it.
Hey, Daughter Foxy, you wanna like annoy your mom or something?
Finally, a time where I can relax. Alright. Now that I yelled at Daughter Foxy, I am relaxed. And now I can finally sleep. What? Is this some kind of sick joke, Daughter Foxy? Where are you at? Where are you? Are you farting, Daughter Foxy? Oh, gross. Sleep over here. There's a giant rubber duck? Who put this giant rubber duck here? Sorry. Whatever. Anyways, I'm just gonna sleep on it. Seems comfortable. It's not actual rubber. Where's our Foxy?
Just asking. I'm so sweaty.